a curve has equation y square x cube equals to 72. First step, we needed to show dy by dx equals to that one, and hence or otherwise find the equation of the normal. We know normal is a straight line equation to the curve at the point when y equals to 3. So to do that, what we needed to do first, we need to find out the x value because we have only the y value. For getting our x value, we can use the main equation. Say the equation is written y square then x to the power 3 equals to 72. Let me put the value of y as a 3, then you can write it 3 square x cube equals to 72. So that is 9x cube equals to 72. We can divide 72 divided by 9. So we got from there 8 9 is the 72, 8 you can write as a 2 to the power 3. So definitely value of x equals to, we can write as a 2. So this is our x value. So we got the coordinate where the x is 2 and y value is 3. This is the first part. First part actually asking us to show from this equation, it's an implicit function to show that expression. So let you write the equation y square x to the power 3 equals to 72. We're going to differentiate the whole equation with respect to x. Then we needed to write d by dx of y square x cube on the left side and right side as well, the same thing, d by dx of 72, because our target is to make the differentiation with the whole equation. Then on left side we needed to apply the product rule, which is about y square d by dx of x cube and then x cube into d by dx of y square. And on the right side, if we differentiate, we got from there 0. And on the left side, let we finish our differentiation, y square into 3x square, because it is with respect to x, but the second term from this x cube first, then if we differentiate y square, we got from there 2y, then we needed to write dy by dx beside it, because we are going to differentiate it with respect to x and y is a function of x. That's why we have to write like this. So that part actually coming from the implicit, dy by dx of, I am going to write detail about that. It means d by dy of y square, then we need to write dy by dx. So from the first step we got from here 2y, and beside it we needed to write dy by dx. To get more videos about the implicit function, click on the right top button, I button, then you get more videos about that. So that is the expression. Let me write the expression like simplify it more, which is we can write 3y square, 3x square y square, then and it is 2x cube y dy by dx, so equals to 0. Let me make dy by dx as a subject, then we can write the 3x square y square on the right side minus 3x square y square, then dy by dx, which is minus 3x square y square on the top, and bottom is 2x cube y, 2x cube y. Yeah, now cut out the value. We can cut out 1y from here, and x square, there is 2x square below, we can cut out 1x from there. So on the top remaining minus 3y, and on the bottom we got 2x. Yeah, that is there asking us to show minus 3y by 2x. On the top it is written there, so you can write here shown. This is the first part of the question. And second part question is find the equation of the normal. So dy dx is the expression, actually stands for the equation of tangent. So we need to find out the gradient first. Let me put our value dy by dx x and y value, which is minus 3 into, in our equation y is 3, from here we are putting 3 into 3 divided by, which is 2 into 2 is 9/4. Then this gradient actually dy by dx equals to minus 9/4. This is the gradient for tangent. This is the gradient of tangent. So we can write here gradient of normal is what? Normal. We need to write the term reciprocal and multiplying with the minus sign. So it turns to 4/9. We multiply it with the minus sign with this value and make it reciprocal. It gives us 4/9. Now equation of normal. We know that formula is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals to the gradient, which is 4/9. So from here we can write y minus, our y value is, we got 3, y minus 3 divided by x minus 2 equals to 4/9. Let me write 4/9. 4/9 meters gradient. So you can simplify more this one by multiplying with the 9 cross multiplication, which gives us 9y minus 27 equals to 4x minus 4 to the 8. So our final equation is 9y minus 4x, then minus 27 plus 8. What is the value? Minus 27 plus 8. Minus 27 plus 8, and it gives us minus 19. So we can write here minus 19 equals to 0. So this is our equation of normal of this question, and it is written in a form of linear form. We also can leave our answer here if we want, because if no instruction provided, then we can leave our answer like this, but usually we are writing our answer like that. So next question I prepared for you, another question which is about equation of the tangent to the curve of that at the point 2 and 6. We already have the point 2 and 6 coordinate given, both coordinate x and y value. We just have to find out the dy by dx. Let me apply differentiation with respect to x on the both side. We can write the expression like this: dy by dx of y square. Then on the right side also we're going to apply dy by dx x square y plus 6x. So from the left side, actually chain rule we have to apply here. We got from there d2y dy by dx. And on the right side, the first part, we have to apply the product rule, x square dy by dx of y, then plus y into dy by dx of x square. And 6x we can write here dy by dx of 6x. Okay, let me break down now. 2y dy by dx equals to x square dy by dx, nothing to do here. Then the next part is y into 2x, because we can differentiate the x square part. And the last part we got from here dy by dx of 6x, we got from here 6. So done equation, we already have done the equation. Now we are going to put this 2 for the x value, and we are going to put this 6 for the y value in our main equation. So you can write it 2 into y value is 6. Let me write dy by dx, then equals to x is 2, so which is 2 square dy by dx, then plus y is 6. Let me write here 6 into 2 into x value is 2, okay, plus 6. So now let me calculate, which is 12 dy by dx, and on the right side it is 4 dy by dx, and from our calculation we got 6 to the 12, 12 into 2 is 24, 24 plus 6, which gives us 30. So 12 dy by dx minus 4 dy by dx, definitely it would be 8 dy by dx. We can write it like this: minus 4 dy by dx Our target is to find out the value of dy by dx. We can write on the right side 24 plus 6, which is 30. From there we can write 12 minus 4 is 8 dy by dx equals to 30. Then let me make dy by dx subject 30 by 8. We can make the fraction as a more simpler form. It is 15 and the value is 15. So this is our gradient of the tangent. It written as a form dy by dx. Always we got the value of tangent if it is written dy by dx. So that value gradient of the tangent, just we need to form our equation. So equation of tangent, we are going to do it here. Equation of tangent is a straight line equation. So its format is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals to the gradient we got, which is 15 over 4. This is the gradient m below. So now we are going to replace y1 and x1 by 6 and 2. Let me write here y minus 6, then x minus x1 value is 2 equals to 15 over 4. So if there is no instruction provided in your question, we can leave our answer here, because here nothing written here. We can write here answer here. Sometimes we got the question like this. Question A would ask you ax plus by plus c equals to 0, linear form. If question would ask you in the linear form, then we can do it by writing like this, a cross multiplication. Say 15 into this two part we can multiply, which is 15x minus 15 into 2 is 30, and on that two part we also can multiply, which gives us 4y, then minus 4 6 the 24. So final answer we would write 15x minus 4y and minus 30 plus 24, which is minus 6 equals to 0. So this is our final answer of this equation if question is asking us to express